In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste edit settings in Lightroom Classic. This is a handy skill that can save you heaps of time, especially when you're working with multiple photos and want to maintain consistency in your edits. So, let's dive right in and get started. To begin with, you need to head over to the Develop module. This is where all your photo editing magic takes place. Select the photo whose edits you want to copy. This is your reference image, the one you've worked so hard on to achieve just the right look. Once you've selected it, navigate to the Settings menu at the top, click it, and then select Copy Settings, or as a shortcut, simply right-click on your photo, and you'll find Develop Settings in the Context menu, which leads you to Copy Settings. Now, you'll see the Copy Settings dialog pop up. This is where you can choose which specific attributes you want to copy. Maybe you've nailed the exposure just right, or the contrast is spot on. It could be white balance tweaks, or perhaps your crop settings are perfect for the composition you have in mind. You'll notice options such as Effects. Make sure you tick only those attributes that you want to apply to your other photos. Once you finalize your selections, go ahead and click Copy. This action saves these settings to your clipboard. Now, it's time to choose the photo or photos you want to apply these settings to. You can select one or multiple photos. If you're going for multiple, use the Ctrl or CMD key in combination with clicking the photos you want. Or if they're in a sequence, you might prefer to shift-click to select a range. With your target images selected, return to the Settings menu. This time, select Paste Settings from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can right-click on any of the selected photos, and again, navigate through Develop Settings to find Paste Settings in the Context menu. And there you go. All those carefully crafted edits from your reference photo are now applied to your chosen targets efficiently. What's fantastic about this method is not only the time it saves, but also the consistency it ensures across your photo set. Feel free to experiment by mixing and matching different attributes to see what combinations work best for you. It might take a few tries to find the perfect balance, but once you start implementing this method, making quick adjustments becomes second nature. With these steps, you're equipped to streamline your workflow in Lightroom Classic. Copying and pasting settings is now part of your skill set, allowing you to focus more on your creative process and less on repetitive tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.